Okay.
What this is? Oh my god.
But you watch always in the mirror, left?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. And now, a little bit more power. More. Press. Press more. Okay. Very good. Jackie's first ride in Berlin. Press more.
Let's go.
Yes. Very good. You are already close to 40.
I'll go.
You have to, but you have to use the. Very good. No crash on the first 200 meters.
I'll be straight.
Yes, straight. And light right. Good. Very good. Ah. Left side.
Oh.
Voila!
Yeah, but there is a car.
Yeah. Slowly. Brem, stop. It's red. And you have to go there. Voila!
I will.
Yes. Go more. Press more. Energy. Slowly. Good. Stop. Good. And light on the left side.
Here?
Yes. You have to turn, or you have to ride completely to the white.
Center?
Not to center.
I have to.
Where is the white? There you have to stay.
And then turn.
Dirizzo and wait on the white spar. Yes.
There,
Slowly. Dirizzo. Slowly turn left now. Yes. And go on.
Oh.
Next intersection.
Where?
2O.
Here?
2O.
Here?
Yes. So 2O.
So we are here now?
Yes. Goldammer Straße. More right, lady. That is for 2. You're not the only one.
Where is our bargain? Where is it?
Press.
Wow, where are we going to park?
Here. There is your parking
Oh,
area.
I don't know how to park.
Okay, I will do it for you.
Oh.